Hello, today I have BMW F30 with not starting issue. No starter operation when you press start button. Let's try. What? Okay, key inside. Let's push start button. Ignition on. And that's all. Nothing happened. No starter. We plug diagnostic to this BMW and we found all faults related to the starter relay or relay energizer or something like that. No big faults with voltages, and etc. After inspecting some voltages and do some measurements, I notice one thing. If I jump this ground from chassis to the engine, the car starts. And this tells us this is bad ground cable from chassis to the engine. I found this and I show you. Let's go under the car. I take it all plastics and the ground cable is here. And look at that. Oh, greeny wire. I think it's the only problem. We can try to add new cable and we will see. This is how bad it looks. Start melting. I made new one ground cable, a little bit longer. It will be better because it's moving all the time, because diesel engine have vibrations and all the time this cable is flexible, not very hard. This one it's not flexible. Now need to install it. When installing new cable, remember to clean these points. Do not leave rusty. It should be shiny. This is how it looks installed. I have movement and we put a little bit extra protection. And it should last forever. Okay, every time when finishing our works, we test for final result. Okay, we have key inside and push. Oh, run. Okay, the door open. We can try another one time. All good, fixed.